I started the new PC build. It's been going okay. I made a few weird choices. So this heatsink, I ordered a larger one. This is a 90mm type. With the 9900X, I think I should get the 120 just for the sake of sound. It's okay. It's good enough to get things going. Everything here works, functions, but I did make a few mistakes besides that. So here's the big one. USB 3 header for the case. This is a Fractal Design Focus G, which is a very cheap case. I don't know if it was the case or it's the motherboard. Put this in, it was fine. I should have just left it. This is the USB 3 header. It took some serious effort to remove. It's got clips on the two sides, and that's like way too much clipping force. So I didn't easily get this out. And I think the motherboard is fine, but yeah, if you ever build a PC, it's not really as easy as Legos, as I've said and other people have said in the past. There's low quality connectors, there's bad USB connector designs, things like that. I might try to contact Fractal and see if they'll send me a new thing, but I kind of have my doubts. I already put Windows on this thing. The RAM appears okay, but I'm going to do a test on the RAM. Although this fan here, it's a thermal right fan, it sounds like crap, so I'm probably going to swap this. I have 3 of these 220s, and I also have some 140s. Hopefully it's just this one, and then maybe I'll try to send this thing back, even though they're cheap. It used this header on the MSI X670E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard with this connector. Put it in, should have left it. I wanted to potentially swap it to the one down here because I'm going to use another one up here, and it just made more sense that I would swap them. But yeah, things like this happen. Probably been 8 years for me, and if I had known about this, I forgot about it. Crappy USB 3 headers. Be mindful of those, and if you're going to put it into the motherboard, probably put it in once and make sure it's all routed properly before you do that one installation of it. Although maybe it's just crappy, cheap stuff, I'm not sure. Anyways, that's a quick tip of be careful with these things. It's kind of tech, I suppose. See ya.